Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to record slow motion videos on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the camera app. Then we're going to press on the More button on the bottom to find more options of recording videos. And here we're going to select slow-mo or slow motion. So this option right here, just select that. And this option basically allows you to record slowed down videos. So I'm just going to record a single video really quickly to just show you how it works. There we go. And now once we have done that, you can see that the video is pretty slowed down compared to the video that I have recorded. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.